Hello. Good, how are you? Well, I can't talk right now. Can you call me back in about 1 minute? Thanks, bye. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
I'm doing good. How is your day been?
Good.
Good, that's good to hear.
I'm going to talk to you on the receiver for privacy now, okay? Stay on the line.
Okay.
Hello? Oh, good. How are you? So what are you doing today? Good. Oh, that sounds great. I hope you do. All right. Good talking to you. Bye.